guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'll be showing you something a little bit interesting. Show them how I store my things in the freezer, like my food ingredients in the freezer. Before now I used to use like black plastic bag, and that used to be very it's not uncomfortable. It used to be very stressful for me somehow, because like when I'm looking for a particular thing, I'll bring out something from the freezer, and because it's in a black bag, you have to tear it because it's frozen. Like, it's always hard to untie and stuff, so you have to tear it, check what's in it. If it's not the one, you replace the bag again, all that stuff. So now I decided to start using a Ziploc bag. It's very convenient for me. Like, it makes the freezer even look neat and stuff. So what I do is, when I buy my food ingredients, I wash them, put them in individual bags. Like, I put my beef, if I buy different type of beef like shaki, other stuff, I put them in different bags, because there are times you will not want to use the entire thing. So I do not like to mix everything together. I just put them individually in different separate bags. And I store them in my freezer. I store everything, even to egusi powder, ogonok powder, everything. I store everything in a plastic Ziploc bag. So I'll show you. It's very convenient because, like, the plastic bag is obviously transparent. So when you're looking for something, you just bring it out, look at it. Okay, this is not it. This is it. And yeah, you're good to go. Instead of replacing. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the video. Bye. So I already rinsed all my meat off camera before, and I remembered, why don't I show you guys how I store my things in the freezer? And instead of me just arranging everything in the plastic bag on camera, I decided to rinse it again on camera, so you guys will see. Because I know some people might be like, oh, you didn't rinse your meat before putting it in the freezer or something. So I decided to just sharply rinse it on camera, put it in the plastic bag, and put it in the freezer. So this process is a very easy and very convenient process for me. Like, I really like doing it because, like I said in my intro, it's very straightforward. Like, okay, before now I used to put all my things in, like, maybe if I buy something like beef and all that stuff, I'll rinse them and put them in, like, maybe a ShopRite plastic bag, or put it in a black plastic bag or something. And whenever I want to use it, it's always hard for me to know which is which, because I have to open them, because it's frozen. The plastic bag is frozen. I have to it's always hard to untie, so I have to always tear the bag, check what is in it, and replace the bag again. So I decided to start this process. It might be a bit expensive to do this, like buying plastic bag every time, and I don't reuse my plastic bags because, like, it's meat I'm storing in this thing. I cannot reuse it, put another after using it. After keeping in the freezer for like days or so, I will bring it out again, rinse it, then put another set of beef in it. I don't do that. I don't feel it's hygienic. But yeah, this is it. This is very convenient for me when I want to cook something. I just bring it out, because the plastic bag is transparent. I can see through it. I can see what I have in it through the bag, and just take the one I want, seal it back, and return the rest back in the freezer. So I feel like you guys should try it out. It's very convenient. I promise you're going to like it. And some people also put their fresh ingredients, like all this beef and pepper, they put it in a container, in a plastic container. That is, like, I don't like doing that because I like to cook a lot. If I'm putting everything in a container, like, it's going to take a lot of space in my freezer. So I prefer doing this one, and I prefer doing this one because it minimizes space for me as well. So you guys should try. I promise you're going to like it. So this is me just putting in, and you see the way I'm squeezing the bag before sealing it. I'm just trying to get out all the hair from inside the bag out of the bag before sealing it. And for my pepper, like, okay, I'm in Nigeria. I live in Nigeria, so it's always hard like, we don't always have light every time. Our power system is very bad, so we don't, most of the time, you cannot be keeping all this pepper and tomato in the fridge because it will quickly get spoiled. So I just lightly rinse them, take out all the ones that are bad, throw them away, and put them in the plastic bag as well. I store everything in a plastic bag. I store my egusi powder. I store everything in a plastic bag. So yeah, that's it. Very easy, very straightforward. It's easy because you know already when you want to use something, you know, okay, this is what it's in it because it's see-through. And number 2, you minimize a lot of space in your freezer. So I hope this tip is very useful to you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and also share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.